Hello guys, Team Tembe from Lion Troop Global Associates. I just want to thank you guys for the love that you showed me on the previous video. I saw the likes, I saw the comments, I saw everything guys. Please keep them coming because it keeps me going, gives me more enthusiasm making these videos for you guys. So for those that are coming across this channel for the first time and you're really interested in learning how to trade and everything about the markets, please subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be giving you a whole lot of content in future videos. And yeah, today we're going to be really talking about a very interesting topic, which is all about confluence of events, or simply the intersections in the market. So please tune in. So now you might be asking, what is confluence of events? Well, confluence of events is simply a point where two or more things meet, and as I already stated, it's simply an intersection, where things meet and everything comes together and it makes sense. So in each and every strategy you have things that you're looking for. For us here at Lion Troop Global Associates or Lion Troop FX, we look at 2 or 3 things, which is the TLS method. We look at the trend, level and signal. So now, looking at this chart over here, NZD USD, I think this is off. Looking at NZD USD here, we can tell, looking from left to right, that it has been producing lower highs and lower lows, and these are the characteristics of a downtrend. So the moment you see a chart producing your lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, more like a stepping formation going to the downside, it shows that this is a bearish trend or a downtrend. So now that's the first thing that we look for under the TLS method. So this tells us that we need to trade in line with the bearish momentum over here, right? So now, another thing to note is that the market is always moving in 2 phases. It's either we're going to have a push or pullback. So in this case, we had a push to the downside and it ended up breaking below our support level. However, once we have a push, we anticipate the next move, which is a pullback. So after we had a push to the downside, it broke our support region, right? Once support gets broken, it turns into resistance. So we waited for a pullback to this resistance level, and on this resistance level we produced yet another lower high, right? It adds more confluence into this. We have the trend, which is bearish. We have a horizontal line with support and resistance, which got broken and it turned into our new resistance. And on the pullback, we produced a lower high. And for the third thing that we look for under the TLS method is our projection signal. So if you can look at this chart much more closer, we had a projection signal here, which we call a classical bearish pin bar, or just a bearish pin bar. Let me just highlight it for you guys. I'm gonna use this over here. Right there. So this is our bearish pin bar. This simply shows that prices tried to break above this resistance level. However, the sellers were hammering this market lower and lower, and it ended up closing below this support level. So the bears won the battle. So this was a trigger for us to enter into the trade, and as you can see, we entered into the trade. We're currently running in profits in the member zone. So now we got into the trade, stop loss above or just on our previous high, next target on our support level, our daily support level 0.65030, and our second target on this chart is at 0.62786. So everybody in the member zone is currently risk free. We're just gonna let this trade run, and yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. So once again, I repeat, if you're really interested in learning this insanely powerful trading strategy, you can simply visit our website. I'm gonna provide the link down in the description. So just go to our website. I teach all of this in depth. Obviously, I need to be fair to our members here, and I won't show you guys everything. But then once you're a member at Lion Troop FX, I'm going to show you everything from the most basic to the advanced strategies. So yeah, I love you guys. Peace.